taking our first drive with Connor. We're going to the dump.
Pretty much.
We got gas. We got oil pressure, water temp. Fix the seat belts. See, we're wearing seat belts.
Until something rattles loose.
Just gonna take it nice and easy.
Bit of a sensitive throttle on her.
Yeah, I got a little bit of throttle. First drive to the dump. Car driving. There we go. There's third.
No cruise, so it's hard to keep it at that steady RPM level. And I have no RPM meter.
Right. You're doing about 25.
Yeah. Biggest fear is losing one of these ancient ass tires. Feels just like driving you.
Alright, we're done with the dump. We're heading back to the house. See a nice cracked windshield? We gotta fix that. Well, we did get it registered. And try not to run over that shit in the road.
That's the hard part.
Like go that way.
I'm just gonna do a wide berth.
Okay. You're good over here. You're good.
I'm good?
Yep. There's third.
I think that's second, ain't it?
No, that's third.
We're only at 25 miles an hour.
Yeah, but it shifted early.
I guess that makes sense. Got all your things?
Oh, yeah.
And they gave you your ID back?
Yep.
Oh, we ain't got a bunch of shit in the back now, so.
Yeah, we got a bunch of shit flying around.
They can clean it. Oh, probably should have left the tailgate down so it can all fly out.
No, it'll fly out all at once, so.
Yeah.
You don't need the tailgate down to do that.
The question is, will she be able to make the turn to the street going down that hill?
Of course. You got brakes.
Oh, yeah.
Dump run video.
Yeah. Oh, trailer boy right there.
So far, I'm pretty happy with the way it's running.
Oh, yeah. Pretty much no issue. I mean, if we had new tires, it'd probably be able to get up there pretty fast. Like, get that speedometer gauge working.
Well, speedometer's working. It's just ain't got no needle.
Yeah. Should I signal them to turn to them?
No.
No?
Go ahead and bother.
I'll hold my hand out the window and tell them.
Alright. Yeah, just stay in your side.
Yep.
Connor's using hand signals because we ain't got the blinkers working.
Easy old school.
Don't need the blinkers from the old school.
Yeah, because he knew immediately, like, oh, he's turning. And back on the good road. Because that's the only road where it'd be concerning, because in my Prius, people have come right up on my ass.
Yeah.
And it's like, I have blinkers there, I'm fucking turning.
I love that little lake over there. Or pond, anyway. And now that we did about, I don't know, that's probably 5 miles round trip.
Yeah, I'd say.
We can do it once over and check all the stuff next time.
Put the pan underneath to make sure it's not leaking.
Right.
Because this would be a nice test to see if anything might burst with our lines and whatnot.
Yep.
And check the lights, make sure they're still all working, because that light's probably still out, the running light.
Yeah, I think the bulb just blew because it hadn't been running in a long time.
And all of a sudden it got max power. Hey, this is a fun car to drive. Maybe floaty.
Little floaty.
It is nice.
But we'll tighten that up too.
Definitely needs a bigger rear view mirror, because I'd like to see the tailgate in my rear view as well. That way when I'm backing up or looking back,
Yeah, you can move it around.
Yeah, but it's so narrow. It's like a 40 field of view. It is so low. You ever get up to 35 mile an hour?
Yeah, we're doing all right. We're just taking it easy because the tires.
Yeah.
And we've never driven it, so we don't know about the transmission, but you know, we'll see.
It's a bit jumpy when you shift.
Well, yeah.
Other than that.
That's because we don't have the idle dialed in. We don't even have the kickdown cable hooked up.
Nope. Other than that, she runs. It actually works.
Overheated on us yet, and the oil pressure was fine. We'll check it when we stop.
Yeah.
When we get out, we'll run it when we get to the garage.
So I was going to bring it in the garage.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll bring it in there, leave it running for a second, hit the hood, I'll jump out, we'll check the water temp and the oil pressure, see how good it is.
Sounds good. Fuel filter doesn't blow a hole in it.
Well, short little trip should be all right.
There's a little plastic thing sitting right there.
Yeah, but it's on top of that hose.
Intake. Oh, on the hose. Okay. I thought it was on the intake.
Well, it's on the intake, but it's sitting on top of a hose. I can hear that that bearing back there.
Yeah.
The
that's that grrr kind of sound.
The carrier bearing.
Yeah.
I did move the seat back all the way, by the way.
Oh yeah, well it's a good distance. It's not too bad. The pedal is a bit stiff.
Yeah.
So it could be a little loosened.
We haven't oiled anything.
Yeah.
I mean, we haven't oiled that pedal, nothing. We're just at the bare bones of driving it.
Pretty much. She is so floaty.
I'm gonna take this in the hood with me so I can show Tony what the temp is and oil pressure. So.
Yep.
Ain't no one behind us. So.
Pretty much. Yeah, let's see if I can make this nice and smooth.
Sounds like we need a little bit of power steering fluid.
Yeah, I heard that whine.
Yeah, and it was making noise at the when we were in front of the
dumps.
The dump office there.
Oh yeah. That should be good.
Probably a little this way.
A little more this way?
Well, yeah. I mean, you're fine, but a little more my way. There you go. Now straighten it out. Keep going. Keep going. Right there.
Yeah.
Okay, just don't shut it off, just pop the hood. The oil pressure's at 25-ish. So when I hit it, it goes up, and the temp is 195, maybe just below 200. All right, you can shut it off. All righty. There we are, first dump run done. Good old farm truck. What do you think, Connor?
I think it's awesome. Runs great. Oil pressure kept up. It wasn't too high or too low.
Turn this off. Take our fucking battery off because we got a little bit of gremlins.
Close to 100. If it's at 100.
No, it was at it's 200.
Okay.
So, which is fine, and the oil pressure was above 25, and when you give it gas, it goes up. So,
sweet.
That's all good.
Battery's out.
Yep, battery's disconnected. We'll just leave this open to vent out.
Yeah, because it's a bit warm in there.
Yep.
Got
All
the
right.
paperwork and the ratchets or straps.
I gotta take my gloves off and all that, but yeah, first run, first drive. Later, everybody.
Oh wow, the bed got cleaned out.